Good afternoon, my dear viewers. Welcome to your favorite newscast, Guadi News. Yesterday in the morning, something unexpected happened. Um, hurricane was registered an epicenter of coast of Chiapas, um, 13 kilometers offshore. Many neighborhoods must be affected because a lot of house was badly destroyed by the strong winds that freezed the inhabitants.
That was really grim because the place could be the most dangerous of the country this year. Today, some people were rescued from the rubble by Navy officers, but many people are feeling angry because they lost their belongings.
Another part of the population is more angry because many of their belongings were completely stolen by thugs. Fortunately, the suspects were arrested by the police this morning.
The president said the consequence of the problem in the economic country, but he will do his best to repair the damage was done by the hurricane.
That's for today. Stay tuned. See you next time.